Hi folks, welcome to MDC Masterclass. Today I'm going to show you all about hitching up your trailer with a Polyblock hitch. Now when you buy a new camper, if it's fitted with a Polyblock, it will also come with the receiver. Now in order to be able to use that receiver, your tow bar tongue must be flat. You can't have any gussets or any welds on the side of the tow bar, otherwise these little hooks won't be able to fit over the sides. They're there to stop the hitch receiver from twisting under brakes or while you're towing. Now, once you've got that on, we've done the nut up, there's a spring washer under there to keep it secure. Get your trailer lined up and your Polyblock into the receiver. Now, we have this pin and an R-clip to secure it once it's in. So you get it all lined up, get the pin into the Polyblock, push it through, locate the hole and put the R-clip in. Now that's secure. My recommendation is if you're going off-road and there's a chance that you may actually drag your hitch through the mud or across the ground, I usually whack a couple of cable ties around that R-clip to stop it from getting pushed out and coming loose while you're out wheeling. So now that's in, we can hook up our chains, hook up our electrics, and we're on our way. But something that you might want to keep in mind, I tend to use a bit of silicone spray on the Polyblock itself. Stops it squeaking, gives it a bit of lubrication and won't affect the poly material. Also, this pin doesn't hurt to give it a bit of grease because that Polyblock will twist around on the pin while you're towing. That easy. Something else we've got to remember here, this hitch is actually a dual purpose hitch. It can be set up for inertia or overriding brakes, where when you brake, the trailer moves forward, the shaft pushes against the lever and applies the brakes via cables. In this case, it's not set up that way, but we have this toggle here. This little toggle is for reversing the trailer when it's set up under cable brakes. If you push it across, it stops that shaft from moving, won't apply the brakes while you're reversing. In this case, don't need it, always leave it down so it stops the shaft from moving back and forward. Also, if you have a look in here, there's a couple of grease points. Regular lubrication helps with these, so give it a bit of grease, pump it in there, don't be shy, and that'll keep everything lubricated well into the future. That easy, folks. More great tips and tricks, get over to the Masterclass page on our website and follow us on Facebook. And if you've got a great tip, we want to know about it, shoot us a message on Facebook and we'll turn it into a video. Until then, you can escape with confidence.